The storm rolled in fast. On March 31st, 1987, a massive F4 tornado ripped through Fritchton, Indiana, flattening homes, tossing cars, and leaving a path of destruction. In one house, a mother shielded her two small children as their roof tore away. When the winds died, their home was gone, but they survived. The Super Tuesday outbreak spawned 21 tornadoes across Indiana that day, killing 8 and injuring dozens. It was one of the worst outbreaks in state history. Nature's fury is wild, so is history. Follow for your next unpredictable history snippet.